virulent fungal pathogen that is capable of wiping out potato crops very quickly. Yeah. Attacked the foliage and tubers. Yeah, very interesting. I wonder if we can get the islands on here. See what's down there. That was 1800s. You know they had it for 7 years, Linda, in Ireland. Well, I should still say that, shouldn't it? Yeah, for 7 years. Yeah. In 1845 to 1852, Great Hunger, the family of Irish potato family, was a period of mass starvation. Mass starvation in Ireland. Mass starvation because of the famine, the blight. Yeah. Yeah, that's the same thing as what I've got there. Yeah, 1852. Yeah. Something, and the ones couldn't get rid of the bloody thing. It's been giving them the right conditions every year over them 7 years to get it.